Hello everyone, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to talk about how to install the E5150 GTK theme on Linux. So to start off, you need to go to the download page for the theme. You just click the link here. Now once you're there, you can see there's a bunch of different choices. There's blue, cyan, green, orange, purple, and red. I like red. It's my favorite color, so I will download that one. While it's downloading, we need to open up a terminal window. Let's just open up a new window. Let's close this one here. And we need to cd into the downloads folder. Now, as you can see, I've written out how to extract each and every one here. So we downloaded red, so I'm going to extract the red one here with this command here. As we can see, E5150 is extracted to the red folder here, the E5150 red. From here I need to create the themes folder, and this is where I can store it if I'm installing it as single user. If you are installing it as a system-wide setup, you do not need to do that, but in this video we're covering single user. So from here I can move the files into the installation directory. So into the themes directory, I'm sorry. So now if we go into themes here, we see E5105 red is here, E5150 red. I'm sorry I keep mispronouncing it. I've never seen a theme with just a bunch of random numbers, but it does look nice. We got to open up tweaks on GNOME here, go to appearance, we can go to E5150 red, and we can see our new theme is set up and ready to go. I think it looks really neat. I definitely want to change the icons to something more fitting. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I don't know if it's my favorite theme in the world, but it looks interesting, to say the least. And if I was someone who was obsessed with the color red, it's my favorite color, but it's not something that I would make every aspect of my desktop red. But if I did like that, I could do this. I think it even comes with a shell theme, so if I want my GNOME shell system to be red as well, I can do that, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. So there are also other colors, like there's the cyan one. Let's go cyan. There's the blue one, and the theme, it's a flat style theme, and it's all about colorizing it based on the color you pick. So if you love that certain color, you can make your stuff look like that. I think it's creative, and I hope you guys think it's creative too. If you are interested in more instructions on how to install every single color, like there's purple, orange, green, cyan, and blue, check out the link in the description. But this is how you can get this working. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.